it is given to us that f of x plus f of 2 minus x is equal to 4. Then what is the value of the sum of these functions? So there are a couple of things to concentrate on. The one is, if you look at what values we have within the brackets, we have x and 2 minus x. So the sum of these two things, x and 2 minus x, if you add them, this is going to be 2. That means if you have something written within one function and something else written in this other function, such that the sum of these two numbers is 2, then the sum of this is going to be 4. So from the given expression, if we choose the first and the last, this becomes f of 1 upon 140 plus f of 279 upon 140. If you add the numbers within the bracket, you will get 1 plus 279, which is 280 upon 40, which is 2. That means the sum of these two is going to be 4. Similarly, we are going to choose the second and second last. If we choose the second and second last and add them, so we will get f of 2 upon 140 plus f of 278 upon 140. The sum of the numbers within the bracket is again 2. So this will again result in a 4. And this will continue. So how many such pairs we will be able to form? That's the question. So if you concentrate on the numerators, we have 1 through 279. So 1 through 279 means there are 279's half, which is going to be 139 pairs. And then there is going to be one value, which is going to be just the middle point of 1 and 279. How to find the midpoint of 1 and 279? Simply take its average, the average of 1 and 279. So this will give us 140. So we will have 139 pairs, and one of the functions is going to be f of 140. So can we say f of 140 upon 140 plus f of 140 upon 140? The sum of the values within the brackets is again 2. So this will again result in 4, which means the value of each of 140 upon 140 is 2 because they are the same thing. So we saw that every pair results in the sum as 4. So if we have 139 pairs, the sum is going to be 139 into 4. And one of the odd value left over, which is f of 140, this will result in a 2. So we will have 139 into 4 plus 2 as the answer, which is going to give us 500 and 58, 56 plus 2. Yes, 558 is what we will be getting.